Hi everyone, Jace Tutorials here with another Geekbench test. So we are using Geekbench 4 Pro and we are going to run our compute benchmark. So we got OpenCL and you got your Intel HD Graphics 620. Yeah, I'm learning a lot as we go along, so there's going to be more computers that I'm going to be testing. This is all fairly new to me, so let me speed up this video so we can get to the all the results. And this time I'm actually going to talk about some of the results, not like last video. So yeah, just a little refresh. So the Lenovo is actually a model 80X4. So we got an OpenCL score of 16734. So that's the Geekbench score. It's pretty cool. So I am running a 1903 Windows 10. So I'm at the latest version as of today. Intel i5. Let's see what else we got here. Raw, depth, particle physics, FPS. That's interesting. Okay, so I'm going to try to understand more of these results. Yeah, I'm going to run the user bench test next. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.